Welcome, today in front of me OUKITEL OKT1 and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So now by double press to down volume key button, we can see that we can also just change the media volume here. But if you wanna add here the just feature to open the camera application by double press to down volume button, we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. After that, tap here to the gestures and click to quickly open camera. Just to use this feature, click here once on the switcher and now by double press to power key button to press volume button twice. Okay, this works when the screen is off, so let's just use it and we can see that the camera app successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.